All right, so it's Grant, Weston, and Jim Bim here, your realtors with Winning Edge Real Estate, and we've got a place that we're taking a look at that we've been following up with off market, and it's an interesting place. Needs a lot of work, as you can tell from the outside, but this is somebody that we've been following up with for a long time, and they had a pipe burst in the house, so...
And believe us, you can smell it from the road.
So, on top of being a hoarder house, just needs a lot of work.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I say, Dad, show them that.
Yep.
All the way down.
Never seen that before.
We have seen worse,
Yep.
but...
Now is
All right,
that
guys, let's move through. Come on.
Okay.
now is that grease on the ceiling in there, Dad, or is that
Cigarette smoke.
that's
Mold and grease.
mold and grease?
Cigarette smoke is more what it is. Cigarette smoke is what it is.
Yeah.
Mold, grease, cigarette smoke, all the above.
So, but I mean, you know, it would be a good kitchen.
Yeah.
And now, Dad, do you think you can knock that?
Still wet, all wet.
I was gonna say I felt wet over here on the bags.
Yeah.
No, everything's still wet. I mean, it's...
Nice, guys.
And it's been warm the whole time, so, you know, the mold's just spreading, but it all came from that little leak underneath of the sink.
All right.
But the first thing, I mean,
They got a trash compactor. Like to keep that.
but come in here and it's maybe
Now, do you think you can?
$4,000 to remove this wall and really open up the kitchen and make it nice. And then you've got bedroom here, hall bathroom that needs to be completely yanked out.
Oh, you got more of the crap on the ceiling in here.
Yeah, cobwebs.
Just needs a little cleaning.
Yeah, so that
No. Now, do you guys
so
think?
that that bathroom needs complete, fully gutted. So I mean, that's a $10,000 bathroom.
And now, do you guys think it's completely possible? Because I see hardwood back there. Do you think there's hardwood underneath these carpets?
Yeah, but how much of it is still good after all the water?
Yeah.
So, and then this is the master. So, coins and pennies everywhere.
I was gonna say.
Yeah, an official check right there.
Oh yeah.
$6,100.
Can't see.
$6,100 check in there.
Get out of the way.
Got three stooges on the
See
wall.
he's shooting in the house.
What?
See he's shooting pellet gun in the house.
Oh, I didn't notice that.
22 shorts. Something.
All right.
All right, let's see how bad the basement is.
All the mold.
We need
Oh, yeah.
smell-o-vision.
I was going to say we need respirators down here. Holy smokes! I have never seen a cardboard box disintegrate like that. It is wet down here. Holy.
All right, we'll
smokes.
keep walking.
Yeah.
So, you know, as you can, I mean, all that mold is new underneath of there. All around the side. I mean, you can hear walking underneath of the old asbestos tiles.
Yep.
Look out west. Wow. Look at all the mold there.
And then this is the real interesting thing is right in here.
Oh yeah. It's all the way back into the corner there, and
Dad.
that's ridiculous.
Keep moving west.
The question is how much of this has to be sistered up and how much of it maybe has to be replaced.
You think that furnace is any good?
No.
The thing's all rusted out.
Yeah. It's the question of can these boards be saved? The
There's
floor joists.
There's mold that's already getting on top of those things right there.
Yeah.
That's ridiculous.
All right. So, all fixable, just money.
Just about anything we fix with
But I
money.
hate to say this way, the money is made in real estate on deals like this. So, walk back on upstairs. I mean, look at that wall right there, right
That's
next
what
to
I
the
was looking
walkouts.
It's pretty amazing. I like those bolt cutters though.
Oil tank looks basically brand new.
But for us, I mean, it's just the question of how far do you go with this. So we're going to have to go back and, well, we can come on outside so that way we're not all in this. But the interesting thing is, if you want to walk around here, Dad, and show them, is what makes the property interesting isn't just the house, but it's more the vacant parcel that comes with it, which is right back there, which is already buildable. I mean, nice, flat, level lot. It's buildable. So the question would be is, do we just partner with one of the builders that we represent and build a 2B and then build a house on a partnership, or just sell the lot? But, you know, there's money to be had with this. It's just, we have to run our numbers and then figure out, can we come to terms with the owner? But we're going to get with the owner today and see if we can't strike a deal with him. But looks like a lot of work, but that's because it is. But that's what makes real estate fun. So if you like this kind of content and you'd like to see more, then, you know, subscribe and follow us and check out more the next time. See ya.
See you later.